What is sociology? Hello, everyone, this is the first lecture on sociology, and by the end of this lecture, you will have a general idea of what sociology is. We are all taught maths, English and science subjects from primary school, but what we are not taught beforehand is sociology. This subject can be defined as the organized study of the development, organization and functioning as well as classification of societies, along with the relationships that exist within them. This tells us that sociology is the study of societies. Sociological perspectives. There are three major perspectives in sociology. These perspectives actually represent the viewpoints of sociologists on societies and their functioning. Within every perspective there are different schools of thought and within every school are theories. So coming back to perspectives, the three main perspectivers are 1. Functionalism perspective. 2. Conflict perspective. 3. Symbolic interactionism. Functionalism basically focuses on the interdependence of all functions and their contribution in keeping societies functioning. All their theories are marked by this notion. Famous sociologists from this perspective include Emile Durkheim, Talcott Parsons, and Robert Merton. These sociologists look for consensus in society. Emile Durkheim fathered the theory of solidarity in a society. His works such as Suicide and the elementary forms of religious life also show his deep enthusiasm and command in viewing the world in a perspective neither philosophical nor psychological. According to Durkheim, in all societies solidarity and consensus exist. These forms of cohesion are natural to the society, and the forms of solidarity are 2. 1. Mechanical solidarity. This form of solidarity exists due to the homogeneity of activities in a society. It was inherent in simpler, more primordial societies where all men shared similar activities, i.e. hunting and building, and the women did the childbearing and cooking. It is the similarity of activities between members of the same sex that gave birth to this form of solidarity. 2. Organic solidarity. This form of solidarity is present in modern day society where people specialize in different activities, e.g. engineer, architect, businessman, etc. No doubt activities are not similar, but even this difference gives rise to a bond because the people realize their interdependence on each other, as each member is needed to do his, her job so that other members can benefit and vice versa.